everyone. Welcome to your second session of Introduction to Data Structures and Algorithms. In this lecture, we shall understand what exactly is a code. People that can code seem like they have superpowers. The IT industry is booming and people from all fields want to learn how to code. There are a number of courses and sites that are overflowing with the objective to teach coding. But what exactly is code? Code is everywhere around us. From the smartwatch that you are wearing right now to the mobile phone or laptop that you're using. If you watch sci-fi movies, codes are represented as an endless series of zeros and ones and seem extremely complicated to understand. In fact, during its early days, this was the reality. But today, it is not so. To understand in simple terms, a code is a set or a system of rules for the computer. It is a term used to describe text that is written using the protocol or syntax of a particular language. Language here means a coding language. The examples of which are many, say C++, C, Java, Python, etc. In simple words, code can be described as a set of rules that we as programmers, give to the computer for it to perform a certain task. So we know that computer is nothing but a mere machine that can do complex calculations much easier and faster than a normal human being. And that is why we use it. But how will this machine function if we do not give it the instructions and the set of rules to perform a certain task? So we as humans instruct this machine, and our instruction is what is known as code to the machine. Now this machine understands these codes and executes them, which further leads to the completion of the task that we had initially assigned.